In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google form. So you can use any browsers that you have. So mine, I'll be using my Google Chrome. And type in form.new. So in here, you can change the title of the form. For example, survey form. And you can type here your description about this form. So I'll just put something here like for YouTube only. Once done, you can now start putting some questions. So for example, you're asking for their full name. Just type that one, and then in here you can select how they can answer your question. So for this one, I'll be choosing short answer. And then let's move on to the second question. So here I'll be asking for their email address. And again, you can select how you want them to answer your question. So you will see here the required options. Just toggle that up. This means that the person who'll answer this is required to answer that one. So let's move on to the third question. So in here, I'll be asking reason for joining YouTube. And again, I will select on how they can answer this question. So let's try for multiple choice. So on options 1, let's say for entertainment only. And for option 2, to earn money. And for option 3, you can just click on others so that they can put here their own answer. And then you can continue and make more questions. And now if you want to view the overall preview of this one, just tap the 3 dots on the upper right and then tap on preview. And it says here auto save your work on your Google Drive. So as you can see here, this is the outcome already. So just scroll it down. And once they're done answering the survey form, they can just tap the submit on the bottom. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.